Hey, James with Patriot Dryer Vent Cleaning here to talk to you about, well, dryer vents. So listen, this time of the year, the birds love to make nests in the dryer vents, especially the ones that exit on the side of the house. So go out and take a look at your dryer vent if it's on the side of the house and look for indications of birds. You know, when you walk out there, do they flutter away? Do you see maybe some nest material hanging out from it? Just take a look at it and see. On the roof, not so much. The birds and the varmints and the critters really not attracted to the roof dryer vents. If you're not sure where the dryer vent is, call me, text me, email me, fill out a form on the website. I'll come by, I'll find your dryer vent for you. I'll take a quick inspection of it and let you know if I think there's some blockage in there, right? www.cleanmydryervent.org. And yes, it's a flat rate of $75 for us to clean your entire dryer vent from the exit point, whether it be on the roof or the side of the house, all the way to the dryer. So let's get that lint out of there. Let's make your dryer perform to its peak performance. And yeah, at times, if there's too much lint in there, it certainly can be a fire hazard. So let's work together and keep your home and your family safe, okay? Thanks, have a great day. Cheers.